My business helps people buy investment property all across the UK, and we educate our clients on what strategy is best for you. Here's the 5 main property investment strategies and who they're right for. Number 1 is flips. Flips are people who have a high risk tolerance and have skills and knowledge to add value to properties. They often work best for builders or people who have previously renovated their own home and now know they can do it because they have the network and they can do it to strict timelines. If you're doing a flip, you often need to buy in cash or bridging finance, which is high risk, short-term finance. You then have buy, refurb, refinance, which is less risky than flips because you don't need to find a buyer at the back end, but it's not as easy as it once was. I'd only look at this strategy if you've added value to properties before and you know you can deliver to certain timelines. You can't use a standard mortgage on these type of properties because mortgages are long-term finance options. You'll need to buy in cash or buy with bridging finance, which is again risky if you've never done it before. If you want to get into project-based property investment, I'd start with your own home, add value, build your network, and then you can move on to more complex projects. 3 is buy-to-let. Buy-to-let is perfect for a hands-off property investor that wants to build their wealth in the long term. This is often ideal for people with young families or people investing in locations that aren't local to themselves. It's the most hands-off property investment strategy there is. It's long-term, but you have to be patient. 4 is HMOs. HMOs are ideal for investors that already have a diversified property portfolio. They're a great way to improve cash flow within your portfolio, but only if they're set up in the right way. You'll need to be able to spend time in it or get a specialist management company who manages within HMOs because you'll have more maintenance and more turnover of tenants. And 5 is serviced accommodation. These are usually for people that still want to benefit from the long-term prospects of capital growth, but are willing to take on a little bit risk by renting their property out on a night-by-night basis. If you still want the long-term prospects of the capital growth of a property that you're purchasing, but you want to have a slightly better income and you're willing to take on that higher risk, then this strategy might be better for you.